want to go ahead and kick this off and say thank you to my subscribers. This is a Silver Play Button Award. And for those of you that don't know, once your channel gets above 100,000 subscribers, you qualify for that award. And truth be told, for me, well, real quick, I'm going to give you a back history on this. And in telling you that, it's going to be what this award means to me. It's been a long 8.5, 9 years. A hard 8.5, 9 years. A lot of personal sacrifice, a lot of family sacrifices, time sacrifices, trying to work a 60-hour week, sometimes 70-hour work week, getting 1 day off a week or maybe even 12 hours off, and trying to find a place that's not compromised by people, park rangers, animals, airplanes, cars, trying to come up with educational content that hasn't just been redone 20,000 times, trying to present that information or content in an educational way with my own personal spin on it that makes it interesting and hopefully somewhat entertaining. It's been a long road, and it's been met with opposition from friends, family, co-workers, but for me to actually get above 100,000 subscribers and actually get this award or qualify for that award, it means a lot, and I appreciate it. I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing, and hopefully we'll hit that 1 million mark someday. Now, I'm not going to blow smoke or be arrogant and say that this is all because of me and my dedication. It's not. It's probably about a 50-50 or maybe even 60-40. And that means I'm only here today with my channel and being able to qualify for this award because of you, my fans, my subscribers, my people. So on behalf of you guys, my loyal supporters, I accept this award. Only because of you, my people. Thank you. Moving right along, let's talk about some channel updates. Now, these are nothing new. They've actually been there for a while, but a lot of people don't know about them. The first thing I want to talk about is my Amazon influencer page. So what you want to do is go to my main YouTube page, and on the bottom right corner as you look at it, there's several icons right there. The first one is my Amazon influencer page. Think of it as a storefront. I went ahead and teamed up with Amazon, and, well, real quick, most of the gear that I buy comes from Amazon or eBay or Self-Reliance Outfitters. And over the years, I've been asked by several people, where'd you get that knife? Where'd you buy your poncho from? Where can I get MREs? Well, I'm trying to solve those problems for you. Anything you see in my videos from the past or present, go ahead and click on the Amazon influencer page, scroll through my categories like camera equipment, MREs, containers, cordage, cutting tools, and it should take you to where I buy those items from. So you can get them for the same price that I get them from, and if you have Amazon Prime, you'll get them in 1 to 2 days. Very simple. And the best part is, those of you with Amazon accounts, you can actually follow my Amazon influencer page. So when I add new items, you'll be notified. So do me a favor, click on that icon, check it out. Okay, moving right along here. The next 3 icons on that main page that I want to talk about are social media. Now, I'm not a big fan of social media. However, in this day and age, also having a YouTube channel, being part of a bushcraft and survival community, you have to have it. Simply for the fact of answering questions and helping people out. Now, I've chosen Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Almost everybody has those. Go on there, click those icons, and follow me. Now here's the best part. We're all aware of the disconnect of YouTube not notifying people when videos come out. Now a lot of people have hit me up and said, hey, I'm smashing that bell, I'm ringing that notification bell. I see the two little marks on the bell like it's ringing, but I'm still not getting notified. Here's the answer. Corporal's Corner Facebook, Corporal's Corner Twitter, and Corporal's Corner Instagram. As soon as I post a video, I link it to those 3 accounts. So YouTube can stop notifying you. You'll get 3 other notifications right here. All you gotta do, click over there and follow me, and you'll never miss a video again. And last but not least, I want to talk about PayPal donations. Now, I'm not asking for donations, but I've been asked about Bitcoin and things like that. I try and stay away from that kind of stuff. I have had people request PayPal donations, so I went ahead and put that icon there. If you feel like donating, I really appreciate it. What I do try and do is go on there and see who donated, and I try to send a message back. You can't send a message from PayPal, but you can from my Gmail account. So those that have donated, I appreciate it, and I hope you're getting my responses. So once again, the PayPal donation button, click on that, throw a few dollars my way. It's all good and I appreciate it. "2018 is about ready to go bye-bye, and we're going to enter 2019. Now, one of the main questions I get also, I'll try to answer, is do I teach classes anywhere? Now, for those of you who don't know, I'm one of the instructors for the Pathfinder School in Ohio. Now, I'm always asked, do I teach individual classes, like meetup groups and things like that? The answer to that, as of right now, is no. However, I got plans for the future that we'll talk about in our goals section. So for 2019, let me back up. The very last class that I'm going to teach at is going to be in San Saba, Texas, December 6th through the 8th, and that's at Badger Claw Leatherworks. So those of you that are in that area, go ahead and I'll show you the website, click on it, and I believe you still can sign up. If you can't, then I apologize, but if you can, it's last minute, but I'll be there next week, and we can do some training. Now, as far as 2019 goes, like I mentioned before, I'm part of the Pathfinder School. All you got to do is go to the Self-Reliance Outfitters website, click on Survival Training, move that little arrow over to where it says Survival Classes, and you have Basic, Intermediate Pioneer, Advanced. You have several other elective courses there. You have woodworking classes. We have some trips coming up to Scandinavia, canoeing classes, as well as a basic class. There's also Italy going on. There's several things I'm going to be a part of here in 2019. We also have an instructor program for those of you who want to be instructors. Now, there's a miscommunication with the instructor program. I'll clarify that right now. Just because you go through an instructor program for us does not mean you're going to be a Pathfinder instructor. You may be invited or asked to be one based on your performance and your abilities and things like that. But what this does is it gives you the tools not only in bushcraft, survival, woodworking, trapping, things like that, but it will also give you the ability to function independently as your own entity, meaning we're going to give you the inner workings of a business and show you how to create that business, how to operate that business, how to be out there, present yourself professionally, cool, calm, collect, polite, and courteous at all times. So you're getting the best of both worlds. You're getting the training as well as the business aspect of it. And most importantly, we're going to show you how to conduct yourself or present information to people so they can understand it. Now, along with 2019, I'm looking at branching out. So I want to go ahead and throw some feelers out there. The one thing we don't have right now is any type of classes that's related to Pathfinder School on the West Coast. So what I'm looking at doing is branching out, but I need tremendous amount of support. I'll go ahead and put up a little icon up here on the screen, and I'll give you a poll. What you can do is you can vote. Give me several hundred people who would like to see continuous Pathfinder classes on the West Coast, and I may branch out. But I need that support from you so we can fill those classes on a regular basis. Think of it as a hub school, franchise, things like that. We were looking to expand, and we need good people to help us expand. So what I'm looking for is locations, property, people who are willing and able to donate time, resources, things like that. Hit me up on one of those 3 social media websites we talked about. Let's talk privately and see what we can do. But again, need the support from you, my people. If you want those kind of classes out west, so it'd be cheaper from you for plane flights, you could drive there. You get the same exact training you'd get in Ohio, but different terrain. Hit me up and let me know. And last but not least, let's go ahead and talk about our long-term goal. My long-term goal with this channel would be to leave my day job behind and focus on YouTube full-time. Doing that would allow me to provide you with, at a minimum, 3 videos a week that are high quality, entertaining, educational, that show different locations, different skills, different scenarios, even collaboration videos with other YouTubers. But in order to make that happen, I'll need your help. I need you to watch my videos, share my videos with everyone, everywhere. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and continue on doing what you're doing. This way, it will rank my videos a little bit higher, also help circulate them. More subscribers, more views will keep us on that correct path. Once again, I want to say thank you for this award. I accept it on behalf of you, my people. And as always, thank you for your comments, views, and support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'm going to catch you next time.